Assalamu alaikum. We were discussing chapter number 16, theorems related to area. Today we will discuss exercise 16.2, question number 1, 2 and 3. For that, first of all, the first question is show that the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. First of all, you have to draw a median of a triangle. For that, ABC is a triangle. What is median? Median is actually the vertex or a point that bisects the opposite side on midpoint. So here A is the vertex and it is bisecting on the opposite side BC on midpoint M. So AM is your median and it divides it into two triangles of equal area. And now AM is dividing the triangle ABC into two equal areas, that is ABM and ACM. We have to prove that whether these two triangles ABM and ACM are equal in area or not. So for that, given statement is in triangle ABC, AM is the median. Proof is area of triangle ABM equals to area of triangle ACM. For construction, draw PQ that is parallel to line BC. Then draw BS parallel to line AM and draw CT parallel to line AM. For the proof, first of all, BS is parallel to AM, that is already mentioned in the construction that this is a construction step. Next is BM is parallel to SA. You can see that BM and SA are opposite sides and they are parallel to each other. So opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel. So BMAS is a parallelogram. Similarly, AMCT is a parallelogram. And these two parallelograms are lying between the same parallel line, that is PQ parallel to BC. And they are having the same base. BMAS and AMCT parallelograms are having same base, that is BC. The parallelogram that are lying between the same base, and if they are lying between the same parallel lines, it means they are having equal area. So for that we will write that they have equal area, and area of parallelogram BMAS is equal to area of parallelogram AMCT. From this parallelogram we can write that area of triangle ABM. Now you have to consider the triangle ABM is equal to half of the parallelogram BMAS. So here you can see that ABM is actually the half of parallelogram BMAS. Similarly, area of triangle ACM is the half of parallelogram AMCT, and in above line you have proved that area of parallelogram BMAS and AMCT is equal. So half will be cancelled with half. So in the end it will prove that area of triangle ABM is equal to area of triangle ACM. And that was the statement that you have to prove in this question. Coming towards the next question. Next question is prove that the parallelogram is divided by its diagonal into four triangles of equal area. First of all, you have to draw a parallelogram ABCD. Then divide that parallelogram by diagonals. What are the diagonals? AC and BD are the diagonals that are meeting at point L, and they are dividing this parallelogram into four triangular regions. So here for the given statement, first of all we will write in a parallelogram ABCD, AC and BD are its diagonal which meet at point L. What you have to prove that triangle ABL, BCL, CDL and ADL are having equal area. For proof, triangles ABC and ABD. First of all, consider these two triangles ABC and ABD. They are having the same base AB and are between the same parallel lines AB and DC, so they are having equal area. In area of triangle ABC equals to area of triangle ABD. First of all, you have to consider area of triangle ABC. In this triangle ABC, you can see that there are two triangles. This is the combination of two triangles. So we can write that area of ABL and area of triangle BCL. Actually, ABL and BCL combines to make the triangle ABC. Similarly, triangle ABD is a combination of triangle ABL and triangle ADL. So here triangle ABL and ABL will be cancelled with each other. The remaining term will be area of triangle BCL is equal to area of triangle ADL. So this is the first equation. Now consider triangle ABC and triangle BCD. Considering these two triangles, again we will do that step, that triangle ABC is the combination of triangle ABL and BCL, and triangle BCD is the combination of area of triangle BCL and area of triangle CDL. BCL will be cancelled with BCL, so remaining term will be area of triangle ABL is equal to area of triangle CDL. So here it is written that area of triangle ABL is equal to area of triangle CDL. This is the second equation. As the diagonals of parallelograms bisect each other because they are meeting at point L, so L is the midpoint of AC. You can see that L is actually the midpoint of AC. If L is the midpoint of AC, then BL is the median of triangle ABC. Similarly, it's up to you. You can write that if L is the midpoint of AC, then DL is the median of triangle ACD. So here you can write these two statements. It's up to you whether you will choose triangle ABC or ACD. Then area of triangle ABL is equal to area of triangle BCL. This is the third equation. And from these three equations, you will prove that area of triangle ABL is equal to area of triangle BCL is equal to area of triangle CDL is equal to area of triangle ADL. So from this statement you have to prove that these parallelograms are when made, then these diagonals cut this parallelogram into four triangular regions, and these triangular regions are equal to each other, and that you have to prove. Third question is, divide a triangle into 6 equal triangular parts. You have to divide a triangle into 6 triangular parts. Given is in triangle ABC, and the required statement is that you have to divide it into 6 equal parts. The diagram is in the question, so you have to write how it is divided into 6 equal parts. For that, first of all, draw the ray BT. Before drawing the ray BT, you have to draw a triangle ABC. Then you have to draw a ray BT that will make an acute angle CBT. And what is an acute angle? Acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degree. And you can see that CBT is actually making the angle that is less than 90 degree. Then on BT, mark 6 points. What are these 6 points? Name them D, E, F, G, H, I. After that, you can see that measure BD is equal to measure DE, and measure DE is equal to measure EF, measure EF is equal to measure GH, and measure GH is equal to measure IH. Now join I to C. Here the last point, that is I and C, you have to join it. After joining I to C, you have to join H to L, G to M, F to N, E to O, D to P, and each of this line is parallel to the line IC. So here what we will write, draw HL, GM, FN, EO, DP, and each is parallel to IC. Now from here you can see that after making these lines, you have to join A point to L, M, N, O. So there will be different triangles that are having acute angles, that are BAP first triangle, then PAO is the second triangle, then OAN is the third triangle, NAM is the fourth triangle, MAL is the fifth triangle, and LAC is the sixth triangle. And from these triangles you can see that all the triangle ABC is divided into 6 equal parts, and that was in the statement that you have to divide a triangle into 6 triangular regions. So this is how you can make a triangle, and after making a triangle you have to divide it into 6 portions.